If you're a skilled writer and you want to learn how to start making money online, this video is for you because I'm going to share an amazing platform completely free that allows you to upload write-ups and get paid for it. Now, without further ado, as you can see on your screen, the website is called Substack. Substack is a newsletter writing platform that allows you to have subscribers and get them to pay you for your write-ups. Now, if you think you cannot write blogs and you just feel like you're more of a story writer or more of a creative writer, and you have people who already enjoy your write-ups, perhaps on social media, on Facebook, and they want more from you, you could use Substack to host all of them, and per week or daily, you have them pay for your write-ups. Now, I can remember when I still used to write on Facebook, and I had a lot of engagement, people waiting for my write-ups every single day. If I had found out about a platform like this, I would have made money online with Substack. Now, how this works is you're going to have some people come onto your website here on Substack and subscribe for daily newsletters or weekly newsletters from your brand, and then they pay you a certain amount of money. How it works is we're going to estimate how much we could make on Substack with a certain amount of subscribers. Now, you can see if we had 2,000 subscribers and wanted to charge $5 per month, that is 800 or $8,100 per month for your newsletter, and you're just writing the same copy of content and sending it to different people and getting paid over and over again. And this is per month, so people and the writers keep 90% of their revenues minus credit fees. And so this platform is really amazing if you want to start writing. And one thing is, people already know Substack, so they come here to search for writers. Now, they could go here and people can subscribe and search for writers. I could search on marketers, and if you optimize your profile on Substack to show up, you can start showing up on this search engine, and then people subscribe to you directly from here. And this is passive income because you're only going to write once and have people pay you. It's not really passive because you have to write the articles every single time you want to get paid, but this is a fun way to monetize your skills and talent. So if you're interested in the platform, what you're going to do here is to sign up for an account, and then you'll be given a subdomain. I want you to choose wisely what your subdomain is going to be. It could be marketing.substack.com or anything you have to share with your skills. So when you have that, you could be able to see your profile, and then you'll be able to send people to your profile with a link that you're going to get, and then they'll be able to sign up to your account on Substack. Now, Substack is completely free for you to host your newsletters, and this is why I love the platform so much. Now, one caveat is you need to have a Stripe account to make money online on Substack. But if you have a Stripe account, it's a lot easier from there on, because now you're going to log in and then connect your Stripe account and start making money with this platform. Now, again, you need to have followers, and so I recommend starting an audience on Instagram or Facebook, a community of people who enjoy your write-up, and you could even start on Reddit and post your stories. That's the best way I recommend to use Substack. Start on Reddit and write, get engagement, and on your profile on Reddit, you leave links to your Substack platform where people can sign up for your write-ups, and then you send weekly, daily write-ups. And the amazing thing about this is one write-up to one person is the same energy for one write-up to 1,000, 2,000 people, and so you're making money with this account almost passively. So if you want to learn more ways to make money online, I have links to some websites and apps in the description for you to check out, and you could try that and see how you can make more money online as a side hustle. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you do not miss any videos from this channel.